Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello if you're new. This is Avni Talwar this side, and today I have something to talk on. It took me a while to even decide कि मुझे ये वीडियो करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. You know what? Let's just do it. And today I am going to talk about my weight loss journey. You heard it right. It's gonna be a little long video because there's so much I want to talk about. So let's get started. शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं. I've always been that kid who was always on the heavier side. My childhood, I was heavy. My teenage, I was heavy. My adulthood, I was heavy. And pretty much all my life you can say I've been heavy, and I still am, and I'm pretty okay with it. The reason I wanted to talk out my story is because there are a lot of people out there who are, planning or thinking to start and everything. And if you are, just go for it. I am the laziest person on this planet. You can say I'm the laziest person in this entire universe. So if I can do it, there is no way on earth that you cannot do it. My weight actually didn't bother me till the time I reached like 13 or 14, because that's when a lot of my relatives started saying, "Arey yaar, she's gaining weight. She needs to reduce it." People in my school started talking about, you really need to reduce and everything. So I used to go on YouTube, watch a lot of videos about weight loss transformation, about crash diets and lose 10 kgs in 10 days, lose 5 kgs in 3 days. I was like on this whole other level. I used to become so conscious, like never used to even run. Walk कर लिया तो बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी, भागना तो दूर की बात थी. Pretty much it has always been that way. Stepped in college. College में सब सज धज के आते हैं, and I used to look at everybody and they were like, oh, everybody's so pretty. Barring the diet thing, I tried to change myself so much. I straightened my hair. I started, doing my eyebrows, and I thought maybe I'll be more beautiful or something like that. Dheere dheere, I thought that I'm gonna I'm getting comfortable in my own skin, and the relatives, they started pounding. They started telling my mother like, iska kuch kar. She's gonna she's just increasing weight. It's not healthy. It's not good. Like everybody was talking about the physical health, but no one was actually realizing that mentally it's hampering me more. Walking होती थी, थोड़ा diet पे control करना चालू हो गया था, because my mind became so conscious. 24/7 used to think, really have I gained so much? I used to be like, anywhere I go, people are judging me because of my weight. And then it moved on. 11th हो गया, 12th हो गया, FY, SY, TY. The good thing which happened in FY was because of my study, there was this recognition. तो अच्छा एक crowd बन गया था, and people around were also very good. FI and SY was a time where I started gaining my confidence, and I was like, you know what? I am really comfortable in my skin. I am really comfortable with who I am. There are so many qualities I have, barring just thinking about weight. In TY, I met few people, and never was I ever so conscious about who I was as an individual, and never thought in my life that I would meet people who would just come up and tell me, you know what, you're too fat, oh my god, your skin is so dark. I just couldn't understand what on earth is wrong with me. I was surrounded with those people for a long time. It just kept on going in my head that my god, I'm really fat, I'm really this giant. When you get under such influence, you just start questioning yourself. There was time when I used to go out, and so when I used to go, and there was always this point like, no, you don't eat this, you'll gain weight, no, you're not supposed to eat this, you're not supposed to eat that. And I was like, what the hell is happening, yaar? Then I started crash diets is what I did basically. In short, simple भाषा में crash diet मतलब भूखा, like I went on hunger strike कि नहीं खाऊंगी तो weight reduce हो जाएगा. This is what I did. Dumb of me, but I did. I just became so conscious of my body, my own self, that nothing I did I found was interesting. Legitly felt like a loser. My mental state just went bizarre. So then I started going to gym. that's when things gradually changed for me. My parents were like, eat good food. My parents have always followed this mantra: eat good food, work out, stay healthy. जंक भी खाना है तो लिमिट में खाओ. This is a normal mantra everybody follows, but आपको बोलते हैं ना वो धक्के की ज़रूरत लगती है तो तब आपके दिमाग में वो चीज़ आती है. So once I remember I was walking out and there was this blackout zone for good 10 seconds and तब बोलते हैं ना कि हालत ख़राब हो गया. And then I realized, okay, I am doing something wrong here. Started eating more, but then I started working out more. So there was this balance which was maintained. Okay, I started loving my workouts. So barring gym, there's this entire platform called as YouTube. There are so many workouts there. I just fell in love with what I was doing. And dheere dheere, it didn't even matter to me what people were saying. And I kind of drifted from that group and I was like, you know what? That's the point of realization which I had. Like, they were like really toxic for my mental health. They can be good human beings. They are good human beings. But for me, what they say is toxic. So I was like, thank you Samantha, but I'll stay here. So my group back in my diploma year, they used to talk about workouts, good food, and then I started researching on body positivity, and I did a lot of research on workouts, food, healthy living basically. And that's when my entire mindset changed. To live healthy is more important, and I cannot emphasize on this. To live healthy is more important than to lose weight. And it went quite good till I started working, and that's where my second वो कह रहे ना एक और कदम आप आगे बढ़ते हो अपनी ज़िंदगी के. Change me 360 degree to what I am today. I did like 2 internships and then I started working in an event agency. It was a very overwhelming experience because first and foremost पहला जॉब था and पहले जॉब में आपकी हमेशा ऐसी हालत होती है कि you're just too scared to do anything. Events में ऐसा होता है कि कोई time fix नहीं होता है. If there's an event, you have to stay out for 10 days. There's a client call, you have to go at 6 a.m. come back at 1 a.m. Like legitimately that is how the event industry is, and I knew what I was stepping in, but I was not prepared for what was going to happen. That's what hampered my health the most. I became very conscious with the people I was working with. That's where the problem lied, because I gained more weight when I joined that firm, and there was constant poking about my weight increasing, my weight gaining, and there were name callings and everything. And there was this one slot which was like my people, so they understood what I was going through. But of course, like यार आप boss के आगे कुछ नहीं बोल पाते. Wanted them also to understand was I know कि आपको कोई प्यार से handle नहीं करता agencies में, but at least you don't have to be so rude or so mean to people. Started affecting me again, and I gained. And boss, when I gained this time, I just lost it. So the maximum weight that I gained was 90 kgs was the highest I touched. My working pattern was different, my sleeping pattern was different, my eating pattern was different. Workout to bhul hi jao. There came a time where I used to report at 7 a.m. in the morning, I used to come at 1 a.m. and I got so disturbed because nothing was like sorted, and kind of it started feeling, okay, maybe this is not a right place to work. Like I know people work in event agencies and they are still fine. But यहाँ पे I think what was happening was my mental health was getting deteriorated because of all the poking and talking about my weight. So every morning I used to come and it was the talk of the town, and I became really conscious. It started affecting my work more than my health. I didn't know like where to go, who to speak with, and I was like okay. Till the time there was this one incident which happened, and I was like, I'm done, and I was done with the agency, and then I left. I tried getting back on track, but it was really difficult because I was still not out of that zone. So my sister started working out, and I saw changes in her body, in her life, and that's what actually motivated me. I kind of tried to work out my own self and plan my own diets. Tried, but वही हो रहा था, मैं अगर 2 कदम आगे जा रही थी तो मैं 4 कदम पीछे आ रही थी, ऐसा हो रहा था. And then again So that was a pattern which was happening. That's when I thought that maybe I need help of some, I need some professional guidance as to how I can cope up. Because I am from the media industry, and from the industry that I am, there is no fixed pattern. But when I started working out also, my father played a major role, because we used to get up, and he used to get up at like early morning, 6 o'clock. We used to head gym, and he used to train me, and then he used to work out himself. So for him it was that double time, but he didn't mind, because he loved working out and I loved working out with him. Then my mom recommended me a dietitian. I need to sort out my food pattern also along with my workout, and that's where I met my dietitian Amit. She has been that supportive pillar again in my life. Started figuring out a diet that I need, including my schedule. From that moment it has been like an incline, and till now it is an incline. Yeah, there are ups and downs, and I have been motivated by so many people around me. At the same time, I've been demotivated by so many people around me. But at the end of the day, what matters is कि आप क्या choose करते हो, कि आपको किस पे focus करना है. Till date, it's been like more 6 to 7 months since I started my journey, and I've lost around 12 kgs. It is a slow process. It will take time, but it will happen if you focus. And I am so glad for the people in my life right now, including my family, my friends, the new people that I have. They have played such a major role. So yeah, this is what my weight loss journey looks like, is like. I am still work in process. I think I will forever be work in process, and it was really important for me to share it while I'm still a work in process, because the journey is much more fun, and it is. And I just hope that this somehow motivates you to take the step. This somehow makes you fall in love with you, your body, your soul, your mind. And I just hope that this helps you out. And that's it. And I'll see you next time soon. Bye.